In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your iPhone device. All you have to do is simply open the case and remove the Soundcore earbuds and put them into pairing mode. Now to do this, all you have to do is press and hold the both earbuds at the anchor logo. Press and hold for about 3 seconds to put them into pairing mode. Now once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So open settings, and then within the settings scroll down and select Bluetooth, and then from here it will start scanning for any available devices. Now once your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds have been discovered, simply tap on them to begin the pairing process. As you can see, they're successfully connected, and that's basically it on how to connect your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.